Hello everyone, my name is Navroska. Today I'm going to talk about sociology. It's week 130. The first question is, what is sociology? Sociology is a scientific study of society, social relations, and sociology is divided into two parts. The first one is microsociology. Now the question is, what is the difference between microsociology and macrosociology? Microsociology is a branch of science that studies about small scale of social interactions and relationships, while macrosociology studies about large-scale social structures and institutions. It examines face-to-face interactions and personal relationships, while micro studies about the broad social patterns, trends, and relationships. Now let's talk about three main theories of sociology. The first theory I'm going to talk about is structural functionalism. It is also called positivist sociology. It is a theory that views society as a complex system that aims to promote stability and solidity. It works on macro scale. The next theory I'm going to talk about is conflict theory. What is conflict theory? It is also called critical sociology. It focuses on macro scales. It often talks about power struggles as well as inequalities that society have. The last one is symbolic interactionism. It is also called interpretive sociology. It is different from another two because it focuses on micro scale rather than focusing on macro scale like others. In this, people do different jobs but are dependent upon each other for the task to be done. It focuses on how individuals interact with the signals or symbols. The another term I'm going to talk about is bourgeoisie. Bourgeois are those who tries to make profit from their business by exploiting the workers. The another term is proletariat. All those who are working for someone else are proletariats. Either they are working in a white collar job or are doing black collar job. They all will be considered as proletariat if they are working for someone else and are dependent on that person for their salaries or wages. Paradigm is another term that I'm going to talk about. Fundamental assumptions that sociologists have about the social world are called paradigms. These theoretical paradigms guide them in their research. And here the chapter 1 of a week